Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about the caption button. So as you can see, if you want to add the caption, so we have discussed about in the last class, you can check out. So now we are going to delete this one. And after deleting this, now we have to click on the more. And now you will click on the cursor effect. So as you can see, the Camtasia has an option for the screen recording. And if you want to record the screen through Camtasia, then you can also add these options. And then you can also add these options like ring, ripple. These are the basically left click effects. If you want to add them, you can also add them, and these are the right click effects, and these are the cursor effects. So it's up to you. If you are recording your screen using Camtasia Studio, then you can also add these effects, use these things as well. So after that, we are moving to the next option, which is called voice narration. If you want to add your voice over, for example, here's option for the start voice recording. If you have any kind of video, or if you are working on a documentary, or if you want to record your only voice over, then simply you have to click on this and your voice recording will be recorded, and after that you can drag that into your timeline. So in this way you can record your voice over. So this is a simple way that how you can record your voiceover. And if you want to add the cursor effects, then you have to click on this cursor effects, and you will see the cursor effects and the left click and all the things here. You can add them. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add the cursor effects and how you can record the video, that how you can record your audio in Camtasia Studio. So see you guys in the next video.